In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a product with a commission value attached to it and how to start customizing those commission rules. So we're going to navigate over here to our products on the left-hand side, and we're going to create a new product. So we're going to imagine that this is a course that you are selling, and you are now getting your affiliates to go out and sell this course to their followers. So you've recruited a number of influencers, and they're going to go out and sell this product to their followers using their affiliate links. So we're going to create this product, and we're just going to call this affiliate product. And this is our course that we're selling. We're going to say that it's $100. And we're going to leave the rest of that alone, and we're going to hit save. And now what we want to do is come here to our advanced settings on the right-hand side, and we're going to select the network setting. We're then going to scroll down here to our network setting. You'll see that this has been added, and you can add things like personal points, incentive points, and a commission value. So we can keep this very simple. We don't need to worry about personal points or incentive points right now. We've got the 1 rank, we've got 2 ranks, yes, but for right now, we're not going to deal with this. We're just going to focus on the commission value. And if I hover over the tooltip, you'll see we've got this nice little example here that says that we are going to allocate a percentage of the sales price of this product to commissions. So we're allocating a percentage of the $100 here that is going to go into their commission pool. And the example here is if you've got a product for $100 and you allocate 50% to commissions, your commission rules will then apply to that $50 US, which is 50% of 100. So again, I'm going to be showing you how to do this in real time in this video. So let's do that. We want 50% of the total value of this product to go into our commissions for our affiliates. So when we go to set up a commission rule, which we're going to do now, those commission values are going to be calculated not on the $100, but it's going to be calculated on the 50% commission value. All right, so this might be a little bit confusing, but it'll make sense in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and save those changes. And then what I'm going to do is navigate over here to network on the left-hand side. And I'm going to come here to setup, and I'm going to click on commission. Now I want to create a new commission rule. And this, I'm just going to go ahead and call it affiliate commission, and I'm going to hit save. I would then go and give this a description. So my description can be pretty much whatever I want. I'm just describing this commission to my affiliates. I'm explaining how it works perhaps. So you earn this much of this much. So that is where you would add that little description explaining how this specific commission rule works to them. You're then going to select your availability, and here you can choose either the rank or the status. So I'm going to select my rank, and we're just going to do the affiliate rank. That's it. And just the affiliate rank. And then you can say that you do also want this to have just the active status as well. So this commission rule is only available to my affiliate rank users who are active in the system. All right, then I want to choose my commission type. And here I can select a flat amount, or I can select a percentage. So if I select a flat amount, then this is going to be just how much it is. So I can say that, yeah, if you sell this product, you'll earn $20 US. So if you sell my product, you get $20. And that's that, pretty simple. We have an advanced setting over here where you can limit the payouts. So if they sell over a certain number and you don't want to pay them more than a certain number, you could then say, well, you can earn that up to $100. So you can earn $20, but you'll only really be able to make 5 sales because I'm not going to pay you more than $100 for the sales that you make. So once you've surpassed $100 on this specific commission rule, you're not going to earn more than $100. So that is something that you can do there as well. But we can also make it a percentage. And this is going to be a percentage of the value. So I'm going to come here to my advanced settings, and you'll see that there's quite a lot going on there. I'm just going to remove my advanced settings for now. And I'm going to focus on the basics here. So you'll see here that we've got our level. Now, if you remember, levels are the levels of affiliates that we have beneath us. And again, we've got this little tooltip that's going to explain those levels to you again. So this is going to choose the segment of the genealogy downline from that first video that they are going to earn commission on. And so I'm keeping it very simple. They're earning commission on their level 1 sales. So anyone that they make a direct sale to, that is who they are going to earn on. Then we're going to choose our volume. So here we have our total sales value. So the $100 from that product that we created, we could say, yeah, you are going to earn a percentage of that total value. So we do have that commission percentage there that we created, but we can override that. We can say, well, you can earn 50%. Then you're earning $50 on every sale that you make because we're using the total sales value. But in this example, I don't want to use that. I want to use the commissionable sales value. And so in this example now, instead of earning 50% of the $100, they're earning 50% of the 50% that we set up in that product rule. So instead of earning $50 on a $100 sale, they're going to be earning $25 on that $100 sale because they're earning 50% of the 50% commissionable value from that product. So it's a bit of a nesting doll going on here in terms of percentages. Now there's a few other things that we can do here. We can come here to our advanced settings and we can limit the payouts as well. So if I want to limit those payouts, I can say, sure, you'll earn $25 on each sale until you hit $100, and then you're not going to earn any more. And again, we can add a few more things. Now, I'm not going to go through all of these because some of them are a bit more complicated. So I'm just going to go over a few that you might want to add. So we have our flat amount, and the flat amount, this is going to be a flat amount. So every time you make a sale, you can add this to the percentage. So you can say, yeah, you'll earn your 25% commission, but you'll also earn $20 every time. So you'll earn $45 if we have this base payout as well. You can also have a max amount. So this is the most that the system will pay out. So if they earn more than that amount, they will not get more than that max amount. So if I set my max amount to $100, if they surpass that, they're only going to be paid out $100. I also have my min amount, and the min amount, similar to the max amount, I could say that the min amount is actually $200. Now this is conflicting, but if I say that the min amount is $200 and they only make $150 in sales, then they're going to be paid out $200. They're not going to be paid out the $150 because our minimum amount is $200. Now, I'm not going to go into any more of these advanced features because we don't actually need them for this very basic example. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove all of these because all I actually want is to ensure that my affiliates are earning 50% of the commissionable sales value on their level 1 sales. So their immediate sales. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now that commission rule is set up. So this is set up. It's available to my affiliate ranking users who are active. And it's going to target their level 1. All right, again, just going ahead and saving changes. I didn't make any changes, but there it is. So now you've set up a basic commission rule and you've set up a product that has a commission value. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create an offer so that your affiliates can get their affiliate link that they can start sharing with their audience to start making sales on your behalf. I'll see you there.